So if you're looking to travel to Singapore, you want to watch this video. What's going on YouTube? My name is TDOT Globetrotter and welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing 6 different things that you need to know before you travel to Singapore. So for the first thing that you need to know before traveling to Singapore, and this one shocked me as well, is you cannot chew gum in Singapore. So if you go to Singapore and you bring chewing gum from overseas, you will be fined 10,000 Singapore dollars for your first offense. If you do it for a second time, that is going to be 200,000 Singapore dollars, which nobody wants to I'm sure nobody wants to pay up that amount of money, especially visiting the country for the first time. So make sure no chewing gum at all. For the second thing that's not allowed is public nudity, but of course that's not allowed in a lot of countries. But in Singapore, even if you're nude at home and your neighbor sees you, you will be fined up to 2,000 Singapore dollars, which is absurd. But the country is really strict. The third thing that is not allowed in Singapore is e-cigarettes or vaping. So if you are caught with that, you can be fined from anywhere from 10 to 20,000 Singapore dollars, and also you can face 6 to 12 months in prison if you are caught with an e-cigarette or vape. So fourthly, if you are caught singing any explicit lyrics or playing music loudly in public, they can fine you and or put you in prison. It really depends. It seems quite harsh to go to prison for something of that nature, but that is the rules and laws in Singapore. For the fifth thing, if you're caught connecting to someone's Wi-Fi, you can face 3 to 5 years in prison and 10 to 20,000 Singapore dollars in fines. So typically it's and or. It depends on the law and at the timing. So and again, these are rules and regulations that for someone that comes from North America, it seems quite odd and strange. But when I visited Singapore for the first time, you notice a lot of things are different, and one thing that stands out is how clean the country is, and it's by far one of the cleanest I've been, to be honest. And for the sixth and final thing is if you are caught eating or drinking on the MRT, that's one of their trains in Singapore, you can get fined up to $500. And again, when you see people eating and drinking all the time on a subway, train, bus where I'm from. And that's a wrap on 6 different things that you need to know before you go to Singapore. There are a ton of other things that you need to know before you're going to Singapore as well. I just didn't include it in this video. However, if you Google or if you go to any government official travel website, you'll be able to see what you need to know before you need to travel. I just highlighted those 6 main ones that I thought were of importance. If you guys want to see more content, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. I also post vlogs every Monday, so be sure to check me out on this channel as well. Thanks for watching the video. TDOT Globetrotter out. Peace.